These insurance carriers that provide the insurance for these trucks, they are big policies. And because of that, the attorneys and adjusters that work for those insurance companies, they know what they're doing. They're going to fight you every inch of the way because they don't want to pay. Okay, if you've been involved in a motorcycle accident and a commercial vehicle, usually those are going to be things like semi-trucks. You know, it's somebody who's a professional driver. That's their job. It's not just a regular driver driving the regular car. First of all, it's always good to appreciate and understand what the risks are. It is 27 times more likely that you will be killed on a motorcycle than any other vehicle. Unfortunately, you know, those statistics are what they are. Obviously, riding a motorcycle is risky, but we do it anyway because we love motorcycles. Commercial vehicles present an additional or increased risk for us. There are certain things like blind spots. These trucks, particularly semi-trucks, have enormous blind spots. They literally can't see you in certain spots. And you've seen the thing on the back of the truck that says, driver makes wide turns. Yes, that's another item. They make wide turns and sometimes they'll turn the opposite direction. So you really have to give them a lot of space and just be aware of that kind of thing. Also, some of these guys, they're normal people too, and they have a tendency to speed or be reckless, even though it's their job. They're held to a higher standard, but they've been on the road for hours and hours, you know, all day, every week. So you gotta take that into consideration, that they may not be paying attention despite how devastating something like that is. There also could be impairment, drug use, you know, things like that, drinking involved. So, you know, even when you go buy a semi-truck, environmental factors like wind, you know, you pass the truck, the wind changes, it can make it more dangerous. So just be aware of those things. In the event that you're actually involved in an accident with a commercial vehicle or semi-truck, obviously the first thing you want to do is call, you know, for any sort of medical attention. Second is get the police out there and make sure that they do a report. It's really important that they do their investigation. They're going to collect names, information, who the employer is, all that stuff, and that's what you're going to want to get at the end of the day. You know, assuming that you've done all that, being able to contact the employer of the driver to let them know about the existence of an accident is also really important. Probably the best thing you can do is contact an attorney like us, the Scranton Law Firm, to help you with any kind of motorcycle accident involving a commercial truck. These insurance carriers that provide the insurance for these trucks, they are big policies. And because of that, the attorneys and adjusters that work for those insurance companies, they know what they're doing. They're going to fight you every inch of the way because they don't want to pay. They may offer you a couple of pennies on the dollar to get rid of you, but there may be an enormous amount of exposure to them, and they're going to do everything they can to minimize that exposure. So you need somebody who's done this enough to know what they're doing and be very, very confident. We've been doing this for 50 years. I ride, I love motorcycles, and I love helping people that have been hurt on motorcycles. So give us a call and we'll do everything we can to help you out. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.